This is part 1 of our tour at the Bird Paradise Singapore. We are taking you to Wing Sanctuary and the Penguin Cove.
We're here at the Bird Park. This is the new bird park of Singapore and it's called Bird Paradise. Behind me is one of the Instagrammable places here at the Bird Paradise. And I think God has blessed us today with cloudy skies, and also we saw in the weather app that it's gonna be raining later this afternoon. So I'm kind of ecstatic about it. So I don't expect it to be very hot today, and this is gonna stay. Just feels nice to hang out here because it's really cold. Of course, because of the mist, right? So now we're going up. So if you're gonna be taking the Grab, they're gonna drop you off there over that side. So that's the drop-off point for taxis and Grab.
We are heading towards a park entrance, which is still quite a distance away from where we are.
It's our first time here, and wow, this is really beautiful.
Although the entrance is still quite far, the view along the way is remarkable and Instagrammable. It will be good to come here early so you can make some stops for picture taking of various sceneries that may capture your attention.
Nice, very nice. So that's where we came from. We were down here just a while ago.
Don't worry, you won't get lost in looking for the park entrance.
Awesome. So I'm now seeing an A&W restaurant here. And I think there are some other restaurants beside it. There, that's the A&W. Okay. So this restaurant is just out. It's still outside the Bird Paradise, technically. And then you have other restaurants over there. See? What's this? It's called Hans Union. There are some others in here also. And Cheers. So you have Cheers there. There's a cafe here called Old Chunky Coffee House. Nice. And Banana Restaurant, Pavilion, Starbucks. Behind Starbucks, they have a nice playground. Ganda. It's very nice here. And I guess this is the main lobby of Bird Paradise. See, may mga kids na field trip. Okay. Oh, oops. And this is the main entrance to the park. The gate is here, basically. For adults, so yeah, we bought online. The guy is helping us to scan.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. And as usual, they have the souvenir shop right over there. Oh, what's that? They have, you can actually rent a wheelchair or a trike in a wagon. Wheelchair is complimentary, but the trike is $18 per day. There's a weight limit of, I think, what's that? 15 kilograms. And then they have a wagon. The weight limit is 35 kilograms, so it's $18 per day. That's a trike, and this is a wagon. What's this? Like a cafe or no. They have another restaurant, but I think it's gonna be expensive there because this is already inside the Bird Paradise. They have another waterfalls there. Okay. What's this? It's called Orchid Waterfall. Yeah, where are we going now? Wing Sanctuary. Okay, this is a first stop. Maliit lang to, di ba? Parang hindi naman maliit, pero parang pag ganun lang. Oh, that's...
Sabi nga sa akin,
you know,
para mas mahaba yung lakaran.
that's the Penguin Cove. Inside later. Ano na?
Para pag pinaghalo mo rin Singapore at saka isa pa,
Oh.
para mas malaki to.
Oh.
Libre cruise ba yun? Tapos ito.
Oh. Winged Sanctuary. Wow. Okay, there's a winged hornbill here. Beautiful. Ganda. It's a knobbed hornbill. Malay crested fireback. Oh, nice. That's a nice bird. Hello. So that's called a Sumatran laughing thrush. This is a silvery-cheeked hornbill. It's nice. There. Sama sila. Western piping hornbill. Parang ting, parang friendly sila.
Hindi.
They appear friendly. Hello.
Na-touch baka.
I'm seeing inside this sanctuary a very beautiful wreath hornbill. Ganda. There. Nice, oh. Ganda, oh. Rhinoceros hornbill. All the sanctuaries here in this area are actually housing different types of hornbills. Kala mo meron siyang ano, parang...
Meron nga.
meron ba talaga?
Baka inayos yung beak.
Well. I'm being called by my sons, the Philippine Eagle. The Philippine Eagle is here. Wow. See? Philippine Eagle. Hello. It's pitiful that his partner died. We read it in the news here in Singapore.
Two Philippine eagles named Sambisig and Geothermica were brought to Singapore in the year 2019 under this so-called Wildlife Loan Agreement between the Philippines and Singapore as part of an international cooperation to save the Philippines' national bird from extinction. Unfortunately, Geothermica passed away last September 7, 2023 due to an infection.
Bye, kabayan. We'll see you again later. We'll come back for you again. So near the entrance of this wing sanctuary, they have the Breeding and Research Center. This is where they prepare the food. It's called, yeah, that's why it says there, food preparation. Okay. Our Philippine Eagle is right over there. This sanctuary here. Okay. Then the other hornbills are there. So now let's go to the Penguin Cove. Tara. Ocean Network Express. Wow. I like it here because it's really cold. They have a cafe. They have a restaurant here. I believe it's gonna be expensive here. Just the way it looks. Oh wait, prices here. It says buffet lunch, 11 o'clock to 2 p.m. Adult, $48. Child is $28. It's for children between 6 and 12 years old. And this is where the penguins are, but I don't see any penguin right now. Where are the penguins? Bakit walang penguins? Oh, they're right there on top. I see one on top. Just one. But probably they're on top of this like ice-like structure and feeding, I suppose. We also read online that there's like a glamping here in this area. and the price is just so damn expensive. It's like I think 1,000 plus Singapore dollars a night. So that's crazy, right? Come, let's go up here. Gab, let's go up and hopefully we see the penguins up there.
It's truly relaxing to stay inside this penguin cove as apparently it's cold. By the way, you'll be passing through this area and go up all the way to the third floor in order for you to access the various large netted sanctuaries which are in series.
It's a long and winding road. Okay, there they are. There, that's why. They're all just above. Let's see. Oh, nice, sir. There they are. The penguins are out there. Feeding time for them there. And they're being washed. I think. Oh, there. Penguin popped up. Hello. Ito parang stuffed toy, no? Hello. So there's another cafe here on the second floor. So these are the pastries that they serve. And the price, you can see, it's very expensive. It's more than $10 per pastry. Sandwich, I mean. Then the pastries are like $4. So from the second floor, we're going up to the third floor to check out the other sanctuaries. Okay, this is the only way to reach those places. So here we are. What's this? Australian Outback. So you are led to this. It's one big door. It says there Australian Outback. Where? Ah, this is the one that we normally see in vlogs on YouTube. It's really a huge netted area. Yes. Just walk around and I guess you just let the birds perch on you. Where? Oh, hello. Hello.